This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set up your Gusto account. Whether you're a new business owner or someone just looking to streamline their payroll and benefits management, setting up your Gusto account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to gusto.com. This is where everything begins. Gusto is a comprehensive platform designed to simplify payroll, benefits, and human resource management, making it a popular choice for many small and medium-sized businesses. Once you arrive at the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. You'll notice a prominent button labeled Create Free Account. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to getting started with all the features Gusto has to offer. Next, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. This is a convenient option if you want to save time by linking your Gusto account with your Google account. It's a seamless integration that ensures you don't have to remember yet another password. But if you prefer to keep things separate, you can choose to enter your work email instead. Simply type in your email address and click on Continue. This step is crucial as it sets up your primary means of communication with Gusto. Now, the platform needs to know a bit about you and your business. This is where you'll provide some basic information. Don't worry, it's all standard stuff like your name, business name, and a few other details that help Gusto tailor the experience to fit your needs. This information is essential for personalizing your account and ensuring that you have access to the features most relevant to your business operations. Once you've filled in the required fields, hit Continue. At this point, you're almost done setting up your account. But before you can start exploring all the features Gusto offers, you'll need to create a password. Choose something secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to protect your account from unauthorized access. A strong password is vital to keeping your sensitive business information safe. And that's it! You've successfully set up your Gusto account. Take a moment to explore the dashboard, which will give you an overview of your payroll, benefits, and HR tools. Gusto's intuitive interface is designed to help you manage all these aspects with ease, saving you time and allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Remember, if at any point you need assistance, Gusto offers excellent customer support and a variety of resources to help you make the most of your account. Setting up your Gusto account is just the first step in a journey toward more efficient business management. With your new account, you'll be able to streamline your processes and focus on what truly matters, running your business effectively. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Gusto to manage your business needs.